choir is in front of you to present a poem entitled, Oh My Natural Resources. Natural resources. Our natural resources provides us with our needs, but now it's destroyed by our bad deeds. Hills and mountains are now rivers and lakes are formerly and now it's before we can reach the valleys and hills, but now we can for they are killed. Look at now our environment and figure out the things that need improvement so that